So I have 1 hour to get everything just kind of straightened up, cleaned up, and I'm just going to try to do as much as possible that I can within this hour. So I'm going to go ahead and get started.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said an open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon. This year I'm going to start a new chapter. Ignore the tears and only write down the laughter. An open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
I do is wait for you. I'm standing and I'm not breathing. Why can't you forget the reason you left? You tend to hide your feelings. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running back to. Like I'm lost in the night, trying to keep up with the time. Why don't you slow it down? I'm not gonna find you. Yeah, you keep thinking it's right to keep a distance. It's like nothing I do is enough.
Okay, so it is 7:01, so I have about 20 minutes to get all of this done. I need to clean off that table right there, and I really want to mop my floors. So even if I run over a little bit of the hour, I'm going to mop my floors because I've been painting and they just need to be clean. So I'm gonna get that done today.
Running back to you. Running. I've been holding my breath, but it's hard when I am running. Oh, back to. Once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders. I'm closed off, that's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. Riding on the dizzying highs. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. I'm standing on the dizzying highs. Standing on the dizzying highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on dizzy highs. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're climbing way up together. Standing on the dizzying highs.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I fall, you tied a rope to me. You're blessing me every day. I was down with an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings. But now I shine with your reflection on me.
Okay, so it's 7:27. I know I went over my hour, but I did get my floors mopped. And at the end, I realized that I didn't wipe my table down, so I went ahead and did that as well. But I am completely done, and it took me but an hour and a couple of minutes over. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you push that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you really enjoyed it. And also, if you want to leave me some tips on how to clean faster or what to clean faster, leave that in my comments. I would really like to hear from you. And I hope you enjoyed everything. And I will see you next time. Bye!